In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen is for, and a few practical tips to make your member experience smooth and professional. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. This is the command center where all your sites and tools live. If you manage multiple sites, take a second to confirm you're in the right account so you don't accidentally edit the wrong project. From the account view, head into the dashboard. This takes you to the site list and key shortcuts. Find the site you want to add memberships to, then choose Go to Website. That opens the site's configuration area so you can work directly on structure and content. Once you're in the site, open the website section in the left sidebar. This is where you manage what visitors see. Next, go into Pages. The Pages panel is the place to organize your navigation, add new sections, or tuck away pages that shouldn't appear in your main menu. You'll see areas like Main Navigation and Not Linked. Open Main Navigation first so you can get your bearings. Then switch to Not Linked. Not Linked is perfect for member-only content because pages here don't automatically appear in your top navigation. You can still share them via buttons or links, but they stay out of the way for non-members. Look for the highlighted control to add a new item, typically a plus button near the area you're working in, and click it. When the menu of options appears, choose Content and Memberships. This opens up Squarespace's tools for gated content and paid access. From there, select Member Site. This creates a dedicated area designed specifically for your members, with access rules and billing options ready to configure. You'll see the new member area appear under Not Linked. Keep it there for now. With the member site selected, open Selling Tools. This is where you define who gets in and how. Click Add a Pricing Plan to start setting access. Every member area needs at least one plan, even if it's a free plan, so visitors can join and get the right permissions. Then choose Create Pricing Plan. Give your plan a clear name and description, set the price if it's paid, and pick the billing frequency that fits your offer. Think about whether you want a single lifetime payment or a monthly subscription, and consider adding a short trial if you need a low-friction way for people to experience your content. Be concise and transparent here. What members get, how often, and any renewal details. Once your plan is created, return to the member site home. This is the front door for your members. Click Edit to customize the layout and copy. Aim for clarity, what the membership includes, who it's for, and an obvious join or sign in action. Use headings, short paragraphs, and a clean section order to make the value obvious at a glance. If you already have members-only lessons, downloads, or events, make space on this page to feature them or link to them. Use the highlighted controls in the editor to insert content blocks, buttons, or images. Keep your styling consistent with the rest of your site so the experience feels seamless. If you're adding videos or files, note where those will live inside the member structure so members can find them easily. Before you publish widely, switch the state to Upcoming when you need a pre-launch or a holding pattern. Upcoming lets you prepare content behind the scenes while signaling that more is on the way. It's useful for teasing benefits without fully opening access. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Exit to leave the editor and return to your site overview. Your work is saved, and you can continue refining plans, content, and design as needed. That's it. Your Squarespace member site is created, priced, and ready for launch when you are.